Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to learn how to provide access to other users OneDrive or leave OneDrive, or like some users might go for a vacation or they will took a long leave. So in that case, their team members or manager want to access their OneDrive, right? So in that case, how we can gain access their users OneDrive, how we can provide access to the other people, we will look into the video. So before make sure that you are having like global administrator or SharePoint administrator to access the OneDrives, right? So first we need to log into the office.com. There we can able to click on the admin center. Once you click on the admin center, here you need to go to the active users. So here example, I need to provide access to one of the user, like I already prepared Funny Kumar. If you want to provide, like we are discussing about a couple of ways, maybe three ways how to provide access to other users OneDrive. So I log in with a different account, okay? So but I want to provide access to this user, okay, to my account here. So initially, even if you are a SharePoint administrator or global administrator, you don't have direct access to OneDrives, okay? If you click here, like I know the URL of this. So before that, just I will try to access this one. So when I click, hit enter, so we can see we are getting access denied. Even though I am a global administrator, I'm getting access denied. So the first way how we can provide access to OneDrive, like if you see here, uh, we can gain access using the admin center. So for that we need to click on active users and such a particular user. Here we can able to see the option called OneDrive. So once you click on the OneDrive, so it was taking a bit time to load. So here you can able to see get access to files, okay? Once you click here, create link to files, so here we can able to see the OneDrive link. So meaning automatically we are gaining access to this Funny Kumar's OneDrive. So when I click here now, I can able to see the Funny Kumar's OneDrive. So now I am having access to provide others other user OneDrive. So if I want to provide access to any other different user, I can go here, more settings like site collection administrators. I can provide access to here. Okay, this is one way which we can able to provide access. Okay, just I'm clicking okay. Okay, I removed access to, we need to provide access to Funny Kumar. Yeah, I removed access here. Okay, now again I got access to net. The second way, I want to show you through SharePoint admin center. So now I am clicking here, SharePoint admin center. So when I click here, we will get access to net. Okay, so here we can provide access using user profile. So for that, what we need to do is we need to open the SharePoint user profile. Once it is opened, we need to search for that particular user to whom you want to provide access, or gain. First we need to gain access if you want to provide access to any other user OneDrive, right? So here you can able to see that Funny Kumar's account. So here, manage personal site. Once you click on manage personal site, see how we are getting error, right? So again, just I'm clicking back and I am clicking here, manage site collection owners. We cannot manage because you don't have access to manage that users OneDrive, right? So here we can able to see the primary user and secondary owner. So I need access, right? So for that, again, I am gaining access. So just I am saying Control K and the username got result, and just I clicked on OK. So again, now I got access to this OneDrive. If I click here, now I can able to see, right? Now I'm having access. So just I am removing the access again. So just I want to uh, manage site collection owners again. So here I don't want to keep this account. So just I removed it here. Yeah, again I lost access. Yeah, so these are the two options which you can able to see how to gain other users OneDrive access, right? So there is another option we are going to see using PowerShell. So just I am opening the PowerShell SharePoint Online Management Shell, or you can use the PowerShell ISC also. So here we need to write a command like connect hyphen SPO service hyphen URL. So we need to provide the admin center URL. So here I will paste it here and just I click on enter. So it will show a pop-up to enter the user account. So I am very lazy to enter all this information. So just I am copy and pasting the mail ID. So because I am the global administrator or SharePoint administrator, first to manage any SharePoint site or OneDrive, we need to connect to the admin center using PowerShell. Okay. So just I am entering my credential here. So I am getting MFA Microsoft authentication. So just I upload in my mobile and now we are able to connect, right? So now we are already framed a command like how to provide access, right? So basically I know this OneDrive URL. Because of that I can directly copy the link. But if you see, this is the URL of user OneDrive email address. So if you know the address means, like up to this for everyone OneDrive is common, like based on your organization or based on your domain. Up to here the URL will be common entire your organization. So if you see the email address, like how you know the other person email OneDrive URL. So if you see at the rate, we need to keep it as an underscore. So wherever we are having the special character like dot, we can place it as underscore. Okay. So just we are already know, right? So if you see here, we are having at the rate I mentioned underscore, here dot is there underscore, and here dot com we maintain underscore. So this is the URL which we framed the OneDrive for URL. When we are trying to hit, like it should get access denied, right? So yeah, so meaning the URL is correct, right? So now I will copy and paste this entire command in the PowerShell and just I will hit enter. So now since I got access, we didn't get any error in the PowerShell command. Now I am trying to gain access. Okay. So once you provided access, so make sure we are removing our account. Otherwise, due to compliance or some issues, we might face a lot of challenges, right? So maybe they might ask all those things later point of time, but make sure we are removing our account for users OneDrive once we gain access, once our work activity is completed. Okay, just I'm changing to false to remove my access. So like again I am refreshing it. So now you can see, right, I got access denied. So in this video we learned like we can provide access to other users OneDrive in three ways, using like Office 365 admin center, like we can call Microsoft 365 admin center, and one is SharePoint admin center from user profile, and another option is like using PowerShell. And there might be some other options also. Maybe we can try with Power Automate, but I didn't try it, but maybe there might be possibilities there. So if you know any other options how we can provide access to OneDrive or Lever's OneDrive or any who took the long vacation or any OneDrive, right? So you can share your comments in the comments. And if you like this video, you feel that it is very useful to new people who are going to learn Microsoft 365, please inform to them, ask them to subscribe, please like and share, comment, so that it will be helpful to everyone. Thanks for watching this video. Maybe we can come up with another next video. Thank you all. Bye.